All right, hello guys. It's Miss Leslie and Miss Markert, and we're just going to kind of look at today's practice homework. Maybe just talk about a couple of the instructions, but really it should be kind of a review from the stuff we've done this week.
Yeah, so happy Thursday. Since we don't really have Fridays, I'm using Rainbow Pen today because I figured some of you guys might be missing it. So happy Friday. Yeah, okay, so I'm not really gonna go over, fully go over any problems. I'm kind of just gonna talk about all of them, and hopefully, if you get stuck, kind of what I talk about will answer your questions. If not, remember we have the discussion board posted for you guys. So yeah. Okay, so this first one, you're just finding the partial sum of a sequence. There's two ways you can do this one. You can either use your calculator, and remember that that is math, and then you hit the 0 button. And then it should pop up with the thing that looks like a summation, and you plug all the information in, and then it'll spit out your partial sum. If you don't want to do that, or your calculator doesn't do that, you can always use the formulas if you would like. So yeah. These next three are also finding partial sum, and if the series is geometric, you're finding the infinite sum if it's possible. And so you're using the formulas here because it says to do them algebraically. And then remember, for geometric, you have an infinite sum if r, or the absolute value of r, is less than 1, then you have an infinite sum. Yep. So that's about it for those two. This one is number 6 is your word problem for today. It's not really a word problem, but I kind of thought this one was cool, and kind of makes you think just a little bit. So I don't want to give too much away on this one because I kind of want you guys to try it because I thought it was cool. But the key word here for this one is that it's a geometric sequence. And so remember that this gives us a common ratio between all the terms, and so that should kind of help you get started for that one. Yeah. And then these last two, these kind of turn into a work backwards problem, and you're filling in the summation here. And so your n is going to go up here. This is going to be n equals 1 because you're starting at 1 for all these sequences. And then what goes in front of the summation is just a sub n, so your explicit equation. And remember, when you're working backwards, it's really important for the arithmetic sequences to have that a sub n because it affects your equation. So for the arithmetic sequences, make sure you have a sub n. So yeah, I guess for the other one you need a sub n too because you have to plug it in here. But yep, that's about it for today. Hopefully this is all review and it's pretty simple for you guys so that you guys can do your checkpoint tomorrow. Make sure you guys are doing those. I know there's a lot of you that have already done them, so good job on that. But make sure you're doing those. And yeah, I think that's it for today.
Perfect. We will see you guys in the live stream in just a little while.